अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम अक्टूबर करंट अफेयर्स के पार्ट 2 को डिस्कस करेंगे और अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। अगर आप लोग गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो एंड तक वीडियो लाजमी देखिएगा, क्योंकि आज की वीडियो में हम इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के एमसीक्यूज पर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, ऑन अक्टूबर 19, 2025 विच म्यूजियम इन पेरिस वाज क्लोज्ड आफ्टर अ डेयरिंग ज्वेलरी हाइस्ट इन्वॉल्विंग आइटम फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच क्राउन ज्वेल्स। ऑप्शन ए म्यूजी दे ओरसे, ऑप्शन बी सेंटर पोम्पीडो, ऑप्शन सी म्यूजी दे लोव, ऑप्शन डी म्यूजी दे ओरेंजरी। The correct answer is option C, Musée de Louvre. Explanation. On October 19, the Louvre was forced to close after thieves made off with priceless jewelry from the Galerie d'Epernon, the first such major theft there since 1998. Question. On the same day, tensions flared as Israel halted aid to Gaza, claiming that which group violated the ceasefire. Option A, Hezbollah. Option B, Islamic Jihad. Option C, Hamas. Option D, Al-Shabaab. The correct answer is option C, Hamas. Explanation. Israel accused Hamas of violating the week-old truce and responded by halting humanitarian aid through crossings such as Karim, Shalom, and Rafah. Question. On October 19, 2025, which country did Donald Trump reportedly urge to make territorial concessions in talks with Ukraine's leader? Option A, Poland. Option B, Belarus. Option C, Russia. Option D, Turkey. The correct answer is option C, Russia. Explanation. According to reports, Trump urged Ukraine President Volodymyr to make concessions to Russia during a meeting, raising concerns about pressure on Ukraine negotiating stance. Question. The State of Finance for Forest 2025 by the United Nations Environment Programme highlighted that global investment in forest must increase by what factor by 2030? Option A, double. Option B, triple. Option C, quadruple. Option D, stay the same. The correct answer is option B, triple. Explanation. The report stated that investment in forests need to triple by 2030 to meet climate, biodiversity, and land restoration goals. Question. On October 18, the United Nations Global Geospatial Information Management for Asia and the Pacific elected which country as co-chair for 2025 to 28? Option A, Nepal. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Myanmar. Option D, India. The correct answer is option D, India. Explanation. India was elected co-chair of UNGGIM-AP for the 2025 to 28 term. Question. 18 October 2025 is observed as which international day focused on women's health? Option A, International Women's Day. Option B, Global Women's Sanitation Day. Option C, World Menopause Day. Option D, International Day of the Girl. The correct answer is option C, World Menopause Day. Explanation. World Menopause Day is observed on 18 October and in 2025 the focus was on holistic, preventive and restorative care for women during menopause. Question. On 17 October 2025, the World Trade Organization WTO chief warned that a decoupling of the world's two largest economies could reduce global economic output by how much? Option A, -2%. Option B, 5%. Option C, 7%. Option D, 10%. The correct answer is -7%. Explanation. The WTO had said the US-China trade war could cut global output by 7% in the long term. Question. On the same day, global stock market fell and gold prices hit new records. What was the one key driver cited in the report? Option A, a forecast of global deflation. Option B, credit stress concern in US regional banks. Option C, a sudden surge in oil prices. Option D, a major cyber attack in Europe. The correct answer is option B, credit stress concerns in US regional banks. Explanation. Markets were rattled by signs of credit stress at US regional lenders, leading to risk of sentiment and higher gold as safe haven. Question. On 17 October, future for oil was set to close the week with a loss. What key geopolitical move contributed to that outlook? Option A. Iran threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz. Option B. Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin agreed to summit to discuss ending the Ukraine war. Option C. Saudi Arabia announced production cuts. Option D. A major OPEC plus member imposed sanctions on Russia. The correct answer is option B. Trump and Putin agreed to summit to discuss ending the Ukraine war. Explanation. The upcoming meeting between Trump and Putin added uncertainty to energy market, contributing to the oil weekly loss. Next question is, also on this date, Pakistan reached a stop-level agreement with the IMF for the release of funds under its bailout program. How much money was to be released? Option A, $500 million. Option B, $1.2 billion. Option C, $2 billion. Option D, $750 million. The correct answer is option B, $1.2 billion. Pakistan and the IMF agreed on releasing $1.2 billion from the existing bailout package after negotiations in Islamabad. Question. On October 14, 2025, what tragic event took place in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan? Option A. A bomb exploded in a market. Option B. A police officer escorting polio vaccine worker was shot dead. Option C. A hostage crisis in a school. Option D. A landslide killed dozens. The correct answer is option B. A police officer escorting polio vaccination worker was shot dead. Explanation. According to reported event in 2025 in Pakistan, on October 14, a police officer escorting polio vaccination teams was murdered by a suspect militants in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question. The Global Leaders Meeting on Women concluded on October 14, 2025 in which city? Option A, New York. Option B, Beijing. Option C, Geneva. Option D, Nairobi. The correct answer is option B, Beijing. Explanation. The Global Leaders Meeting on Women was held in Beijing from 13 to 14 October 2025, co-hosted by China and UN Women. Question. On October 14, 2025, which of the following geopolitical international development was reported? Option A. Israel halved its aid to Gaza over the slow return of dead hostages. Option B. The G20 summit began in Saudi Arabia. Option C. China imposed sanctions on India. Option D. The US announced withdrawal from NATO. The correct answer is option A. Israel halved its aid into Gaza over the slow return of dead hostages. Explanation. According to live update reported on October 14, one of the development was that Israel decided to cut its humanitarian aid into Gaza, citing delays in the return of bodies of Israel hostages. तो ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके और कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं कि आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर चाहते हैं। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।